how to trade the breakout on an event date. So this is the chart of a 5-minute GBPCAD on October the 27th. So at 10 o'clock, there's a huge breakout because there is an interest rate decision to be made by the BOC. We can see the event in investing.com. Go to the economic calendar. $10, interest rate decision. At the time of the breakout, the market moves too fast. Instead of trading the 5-minute chart, we use the 30-second chart. Comparing to the 5-minute chart, the 30-second chart is clearer here. You can see the breakout bar, pullback, making a lower high and lower low until the end of the trend here. The strategy I'm going to introduce is to trade at the first pullback of this chart. We want to wait until the first 30-second bar to finish, and then we trade at the pullback. Here, the second bar here is a bull bar. It's definitely a pullback, so we want to place the entry half a pip under the low of this bar. However, the third bar here is a doji bar and it's an inside bar, so the trade is not live, so we keep waiting until the fourth bar is pulled back a little bit more here, and then we know we want to change the entry to the bottom of this bar. The next bar is a bear bar, so you enter the trade here. Immediately after we enter the trade, put the stop at the top of this pullback. Now you have the stop at the top of this pullback. Then you want to swing the trade until the end of the trend. From here, we're waiting for the market is to make lower lows and lower highs until at a certain point when the trend goes up to break up the previous lower high, then that's the exit. This is a lower high here, and then we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, another lower high, and then when it goes down here to make another lower low, we want to change our stop from here to the previous lower high. This stop level is also the exit, so we want to keep moving this as the trend goes on. And then we pulse back, make another lower high, another lower low here, and then we move the stop and exit at top of this pullback. And then it makes another lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. At this point, our stop and exit is here. After we make another lower low here, the trend doesn't go any further. Instead, it goes up and then breaks the stop and the exit level. So we exit the trade. Now we can do a calculation of the profit. Our entry is half a pip below this bull bar, which is 1.69645. Our exit and stop is half a pip above this bull bar, which is 1.69320. And then the profit is roughly 32 pips. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.